Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Take only what resonates. Bale, itong reading na ito ay hindi siya personal, of course. So, hindi lahat makaka-relate or makaka-resonate dito. Pero kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Kasi yun yung friend ko, open siya sa personal reading. Okay? And, sa TikTok ko na lang guys, doon ako mag-a-announce kung kailan ako open sa personal reading ha. So, i-follow mo na lang din ako doon. Start na natin. This is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, and Jupiter, Virgo. Anyway, itong pink card, gagamitin ko ito as sa'yo. And then yung isa na card na ibang deck naman, which is I will use the black version of deck nitong deck na ito. Yun yung sa person mo. Love reading guys. Heart with the key. Okay. Bottom of the deck, you do have here addiction. Kunin ko na rin yung sa side ng person mo ha. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Para sa sign ng Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. You do have your addiction and paradise. Separation. Karmic relationship. Okay. Parang may kulang. Wait lang. Kunin na lang natin yung I feel like I need to get the situation here. So, kukunin natin yung sitwasyon sa inyong dalawa. Gagamitin ko naman tong card na to para makita yung sitwasyon sa inyong dalawa na itong person nito. Anong meron sa connection na ito. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. You do have here, stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Okay. You could be dealing with the karmic person, karmic relationship. I feel like with this stay optimistic about your love life, pwedeng feeling mo binibigay mo lahat or binigay mo na lahat dito sa taong to, pero parang walang nangyayari sa kanya or sa relationship or sa inyo. Na not today, I feel like for now, there's people in your life na pwedeng iniiwasan mo. Ayaw mo na makausap. No? Because ayaw mong masaktan or ayaw mong makasakit. But I feel like with the heart, with the key, pwedeng open ka sa kung ano dadating sa'yo, kung ano sasabihin nila. Parang ganun. But for now, ikaw, ito na ayaw mong mag-explain or ayaw mo sabihin sa kanila whatsoever. Addiction is here, so you're trying to control yung emotions mo. Tinatry mong kontrolin. Sa person na ito, the same. Tinatry niyang kontrolin. I feel like with the Paradise, nagpapakita lang siya na masaya siya, okay siya, but definitely this person is missing you. This person is unsure of the future. This person is apektado dito sa separation or sa pagkakalayo ninyo. You do have your karmic relationship, so you could be dealing with your karma with the Sword and Rose, maybe some kind of clarity or pagka-cut off ang naganap. So some of you may paghihiwalay na naganap, and with the Heart with the Key, sobrang masasaktan siya doon. Heart with the Key, this is like, pero nakita natin na although masakit para sa kanya, inopen na lang din niya o hinayaan niya lang na siya ay masaktan or whatever. Unrequited love, there's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. So, might be hindi na ganun kalaki yung attraction, yung pagmamahal na nararamdaman ninyo sa isa't isa ng taong ito. And, anong emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? You do have your seduction, union, ascending. So, I like you, and the Runner. So, some of you, there's a third party situation na involved dito. Pwedeng, you want, kung ikaw ito na may third party, you want a union with the third party or third person. Okay, gusto mo ng union, reconciliation sa inyo ng taong to. This is another person's energy. The Runner and I like you. Pwedeng sa ngayon gusto mo umiwas or lumayo dito sa taong ito. Or maybe yung iba sa inyo, you want to grow. You want to grow on your own. You do have the Butterfly. And nakakita ko ng child dito. Sabihin na natin yung mga actions mo naging childish. But, you know, you want to grow. And, ano namang emotion ng taong ito? Spirit guides, angel guides, emotion ng taong ito towards you. You do have your Cupid's arrow, mask. Healthy choices. Tapos, ang lumabas is the Phoenix and the Stab in the back. So, nasasaktan siya sa kung ano man itong transformation na nangyayari sa inyo. And if you want growth, itong person na ito gusto niya rin ng growth. I feel like, sabi ko nga sa inyo, may pagpe-pretend, and sa taas ng mask is the Paradise, which is may pagpe-pretend or pagtatago ng feeling na pwedeng kunwari masaya siya or okay lang, but if inside this person is in pain, na-shock siya, nasaktan siya. And with the Cupid's arrow, nag-aalangan, part of this person is nag-aalangan. But you know, parang either gusto niyang maging masaya or gusto kanyang maging masaya. And what is the mutual energy here? Hindi ko to kukunin na masyadong marami. Ano yung mutual energy sa inyong dalawa? Worth waiting for? I feel like divine timing is at work in your love life. So something is happening here, and just have faith. Kumbaga, magtiwala ka lang, because ito na yung tinatawag nating divine timing. no? And you do have here release your ex. So this time, or the time has come to clear your energy. So your angel guides are telling you na parang kung may mga nire-release ka ngayon sa buhay mo, um, it's like sa una lang masakit or sa una lang mahirap. Sa una lang, lalo na kung may mga bagay na nakagawian, sa una lang mangingibab, ma, ano to, mababaguhan, parang ganun. I can see a child na nagngingipin. Okay, something to do with nangingipin na bata. Maybe you have a child or what. Pero anyway, yung feeling is ganun. Dito sa love na to, sa connection ninyo, parang nagngingipin na bata. Paanong nagngingipin? 'Di ba? Sa pag nangingipin yung baby, nandiyan yung iiyak kasi masakit. 'Di ba? And once naman na lumabas na yung mga ngipin, magiging maganda na yung kakalabasan. Which is, yun yung nakikita natin ngayon. Maybe you are in pain. Maybe itong separation to is causing you a lot of, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo. Diba? Masakit, mahirap. Napupuyat ka, kakaisip. But, just trust the divine timing. So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? What will happen in the near future para sa inyong dalawa? Mirrors here. We have here Cupid's arrow. Talking. Clock. One more card. Separation and both. In the near future, sa side ng person mo. You do have your passion, camera, clock, photograph, palm tree, and one more card. I like you. Medyo kailangan kong i-clarify yun. What's with the I like you? The runner is here. So, mutual energy in the near future. You do have here flirt. Okay. I feel like itong connection na ito, there's new people involved here. No? May separation, but I can see the both of you talking, still talking to each other, or may communication pa rin. And I can see new people or new person na might be pwede ma-surprise ka na lang sa taong ito. I can see communication with someone na pwedeng matulungan ka na mag-move on from this situation. And I don't know if it has something to do with love, maybe a family member, or maybe a person na tutulong sa'yo to move on with the clock. So, pwedeng may matagal na pag-uusap sa inyo nito person na to. That can possibly help you na makaget through this or maka-move on, magkaroon ng transformation sa sarili mo. You are unsure of the future, but I feel like you will be working on your finances, money. Magiging busy ka dito. Because stab in the back, you're still in pain. But, it is what it is. So, sa side ng person na ito, Uh, there's a lot of love, pero maaaring iwasan or layuan niya yun or magmatigas siya. Maybe love with you, or if there's other people, maybe children na involved dito sa connection na ito. So, nandun yung love. And nandun yung pagtingin niya sa mga pictures, mga memories, and very nostalgic. But anyway, with the runner, nakita natin yung pag-iwas. If you are thinking na magkakaroon ng new person, itong person na ito, in the future, and I don't see that is possible. And might be because ang concentration is ang mahalin ang kanyang sarili, or ang mahal, and of course ikaw din, pwedeng yun ang focus mo, mag-focus sa healing, mahalin ang sarili mo, etc. Tell me about this. I like you and the runner. Kasi so this person is in love with you. So, I don't feel like that is possible na magkagusto siya sa iba or sa bago. Kasi ikaw ang malit ang taong to. The green paper. Kaya lang parang wala na kasing chance yun sa inyo. Kahit i-open niya yung sarili niya sa'yo, parang wala ng chance. Anyway, flirt is here. Tell me more about this card. Heart-to-heart conversation siya. Yeah, I definitely can see a new person. Pero more like sa side mo eh. May bagong person na dadating sa'yo. New love is here. New love. This is new person. And tell me about this new person. We do have here soulmate and karmic relationship. Tell me about the karmic relationship. Paradise is stabbed in the back. What's with the soulmate? Engagement ring and twin flame. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, there's a union with the twin flame or a soulmate. Lumalabas siya as the new person. And actually, nasa sayo ang choice. Kasi I can see this karmic coming back or would like to come back. Pero nasa sayo ang choice. And you could be dealing with this karmic or person na maraming lesson na itinuro sa'yo. And dahil sa sakit or dahil nasaktan mo siya or nasaktan ka niya, pwedeng ito yung maging rason para bumalik, no? Kasi ayoko na masaktan ka or ayoko na masaktan mo ako or what, parang ganun. So, pwedeng kainin yung ego, yung pride, and kalimutan na lang yung separation na naganap. So, I can see a return or coming back. But some of you, there's a new person. And it's the twin flame, it's the soulmate, the one for you. Okay? Take only what resonates. I love you all, and bye-bye.